Good morning. Welcome to Waggies Travels. We're in lockdown again, so we've come out for a little walk. Look at this little chap up here. Look. He's rather lovely, isn't he? Right. Oh, hang on a minute.
Hit the muddy bit.
Just found a muddy bit. So, I've just been attacked by a tree. So we're in Goliath Falls. I've never been here before.
We haven't come across the falls yet, have we?
No. Well, it's Goliath Falls is actually fast-flowing rivers through the River Fowey. So.
It's definitely very fast-flowing.
Yeah. We've seen a couple of shots of it fast flowing.
And it's very cold.
Yeah.
The sunshine belies how cold it is.
So there's a thing now. I'm just going to have a look at the sign, show you the sign in a minute, or the post, so you can see where we are and what we're doing. Yeah.
Director.
Hey, role reversal.
Oh, there we go. Oh, just the water is incredibly clear. It's just beautiful to know that it's nice and clean. And allegedly the salmon spawn and grow in this river. So
Salmon?
I'll keep my eye out.
I like salmon.
It did say salmon, didn't it?
Yeah.
Salmon and trout.
Yeah.
So even though I'm vegetarian, I do like a spot of salmon.
I like salmon.
And trout.
And trout.
Yeah.
Should we have a walk through?
Yeah, it's quite busy here, mind.
There is. It's just a little bit busier than I thought it would be, but
again, I feel like we should have a little dog.
yes.
Get lost without a little dog. It's fast approaching the time, as long as the prices stop being so silly.
Yeah. Right. Let's go and have a walk a little bit further, see if we can find any more fast-flowing rivers.
Okay. Are you close enough to me?
Yeah, I am close.
Move away,
Yes. She's directing now. So we've made it through a little bit further, and I don't know if you can see, there's some sort of framework with piping on. I've got absolutely no idea what that is. But it goes completely the other side of the river. That is quite fast flowing. Chilly.
It is absolutely freezing.
Bloody freezing.
But beautiful just to be out.
The river further up is really fast flowing. But if you look now, here, it's nice and calm.
It's because it's widened out, isn't it?
Yeah.
If you look over there, though, it's,
We said during the summer months, we'd have to sort of, because it's like a little beach here. So during the summer months, we'll have to sort of get here at 3 o'clock in the morning, get a deck chair out.
yeah. And your windbreak.
Windbreak.
And your
We knotted handkerchief on my head.
and And your cool box,
And
that's
the
the size of a small family car.
Yeah.
Now we'll be set then.
Yeah, it's gorgeous though. Yeah, I love it. 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 And this is on our doorstep.
Oh, we're lucky.
We're spoiled. The noise is just unbelievable. It's brilliant. We're trying to work out if this little cove behind us is man-made or whether it's actually, it just doesn't, it looks, it's all been assembled together, so there's like brickwork there. The confusing thing is the pipe work running through the forest. What did the pipe work carry?
Hey?
The pipe work that was running through the forest, what did it actually carry? Any ideas?
No, really, I don't know.
But I say there's like a man-made thing behind us.
Normally they put a plaque up to let you know what it was, but
More investigation.
yeah.
And it is bloody cold. So basically,
We're not cold anymore.
we're not cold and we's lost.
Well, the river's still down there, so we ain't too lost. My only concern is how to get back down there, but we're going to keep walking because we're intrepid.
We're not. We're in Goliath Falls.
And they always say, don't they, eat the biggest one first because they'll keep you going for longer.
Yeah.
So I'm alright.
Yeah, but you done it, mate.
Ah, no, that is true. Oh, stumped now then.
There's lots of green stuff around.
Well, you know. Tree bark's never really been my thing, but give it a go.
Right. When we get down to the bottom, we'll let you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
We made it.
we might have got a bit lost.
That was a bit steep coming down there.
That was kind of funny.
Well, nobody fell, no injuries, and we made it back to terra firma.
Yeah, we're down, and we're down on the ground as well.
Thank God.
We're back to where we kind of started at the beginning of the water.
I found a bench.
Yeah. Hey, look. I don't know if you can see. Look. Our feet dangling.
Can't all be tall.
The annoying thing is, well, not annoying thing, the little cafe that's normally here isn't open, so I thought that might be open to people who sort of come out for a walk to get a cuppa, but I guess this is locked down, so
Not allowed out for anything other than essential shopping and some exercise.
So we have exercised. Right, back to the car, go and do some essential shopping.
Yeah, we need essential heating materials.
Yeah, like coal and water.
Water?
Yeah, to make the steam with.
Oh, I see.
So So anyway,
Sun is still out, and we have warmed up a bit.
yeah, it's definitely warmer down. Well, it was cold right down there, wasn't it, when we first come in?
Yeah.
Then we've warmed up because we're in the sun, and we've really warmed up the top.
Upward climb's amazing for making you warm.
Yeah, your calf muscles. And
downward climb, you're literally clinging on with your toenails.
Yeah, because it's a bit slippery.
It was very slippery.
Yeah. Right, we're going to go back round the front, have a look round here.
Okay, dokie.
Okay. Well, we've made it back to the car park, and behind us is Inky's. Inky's is a barbecue which isn't open, and Inky's saloon again, which isn't open. So this has been Goliath Falls. Just part of our 5 a day, so as to speak. Much coldness.
My legs are cold, yeah, but
Ears freezing.
my hands are warm.
Yeah.
Oh, your hands are quite warm.
So that was Goliath Falls.
Bit of mountain climbing.
Bit of mountain climbing. Bit of so glad I put my walking boots on.
Right, it's for the fit and healthy. That's all I'm going to say.
Yeah.
There is no set path.
Well, there is a path, but it's sort of like you get to just the bottom where the water quietens off a bit, and then it just disappears.
Yeah, it's not one for prams or bicycles. It's an on foot with play school and up age children.
Yeah.
And one word of the wise, if you've got quite young children, they whinge when you get back.
Yeah. Yes.
If the car next to us has anything to go by.
Yes, they were all right while they were running around, falling over and laying flat in puddles, but
I think they're a bit tired now. This is the place to tire them out.
yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, give us a thumbs up, because this has only been a shorty, just to...
Oh, can't we add on my little excursion the other day onto this then?
Oh, we can do. I'll tap something on the back of this as well.
I went for a walk with my son just around Saltash. And
oh no, I think I'll do that separately, because it'll be a few... So I'll do that separately, because she went for a walk around Saltash, so I'll do that separately. But for now, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, comment if you want to, and above all...
ring the bell for notifications.
Yes!
Honestly, for goodness sake, cannot go on and on and on.
Yes, you can, because there will be a point. There will be a point when you mess it up.
Has anybody watched me eat noodles recently?
I don't know.
Okay.
Well, quite a few thousand people have. I've got no idea why.
I think they must have thought it was a euphemism for something else.
What I don't get is how all of a sudden we just seem to be getting lots and lots of views, which, don't get me wrong, I'm really pleased about. But
because people are stuck indoors, bless them.
yeah, they're bored. Right, we're off. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Bye.